and let's rebuild.
Here we go with round 25. At the start of auto, both teams scoring, blue scoring first, red scoring more. Red takes the lead. Red 73 in just the first auto portion of the match. Blue with 22 points will have the initiative heading into the first phase of teleop. Red's hub goes dormant, giving blue the chance to return fire. It is wild here in the center of the match as the bots crisscross back and forth across the field. The bots coming into contact, flags are issued, penalty points will be awarded. Red's hub illuminates. They are in the lead, and they seek to increase that lead. Safely in their zone, coming out for some fuel and diving right back in under the trench. Iris collecting fuel for their side. Another flag on the play. There is a lot of jousting going on here in the center of the field. Now that the blue hub is illuminated, blue bots return. 66-45, Alloy Obsession scoring for the Blue Alliance. As 10-340, Black Pearl, in a bit of a defensive action, encroaches into the Blue Alliance territory. Wasting no time, Red gets right back into it as their hub illuminates. 167 points. They have secured the energized threshold and will secure a ranking point for their alliance. There's rumbling going on in the Blue Alliance's territory as two Red Alliance bots come in to disrupt the operations. That puts a bit of a crimp in the plan. It's the final phase. It is the end game. Blue still has a chance. If they can score, they can secure at least one ranking point for getting energized. There are 5 seconds left in the match. And that ends round 25. The Red Alliance wins round 25. 207 points to 103. Red secure.